In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monarch Money budgets with a full walkthrough. Monarch Money is a fantastic tool designed to help you manage your finances by tracking your spending, setting budgets, and planning for the future. So, let's dive in and get started setting up your budget. First, you want to open up Monarch Money by heading over to their website. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the plan section, and from here you'll want to make your way to the budget option. It might seem overwhelming at first sight, but trust me, it's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. If you're new to Monarch Money, you'll need to click on Create My Budget to begin. This option is available right on the dashboard, and it serves as your gateway to a world of personalized financial planning. Creating a budget is like setting the cornerstone of your financial plan, and this interface will guide you through every detail. Next up, you'll see the settings in the upper right corner. Click on it and select Start Setup. This step initiates the onboarding process that Monarch Money offers, which is particularly helpful if you're using a budgeting tool for the first time. As you proceed, you might want to add a group, which is essentially categorizing your expenses into different sections like groceries, housing, and entertainment. This feature helps in breaking down your finances into manageable parts. After you've sorted out the groups, click Continue to proceed. The next step involves some choices. Monarch Money presents you with various budgeting methods to choose from. For our example today, let's select a method that aligns best with realistic tracking. Once you've chosen your method, click Continue again. You're now going to input your financial details starting with any fixed expenses. Here you can type in the amounts that you typically spend on fixed costs like rent, mortgages, and other non-negotiable financial commitments. Clicking Continue will move you to the next section. In this part, you'll select the expense frequency for those periodic payments that aren't monthly, like insurance premiums or annual subscriptions, and type in a target amount. This ensures that irregular expenses don't surprise you down the road. Next, set your monthly budgets. This involves typing amounts into the respective categories, such as groceries or dining out, so you all allocate a budget that matches your lifestyle. With your numbers in place, click Continue. Now, as you wrap up the process, you're ready to click on View My Budget to see your complete financial overview. Voila! You've now set up your budget in Monarch Money. From managing regular expenses to planning for those unpredictable moments, you now have a robust financial plan in place. This setup positions you to make informed financial decisions and stay on top of your money game. Thank you for following along, and happy